Congratulations to the award recipients on your accomplishments, and thank you so much for your service, your dedication, and your leadership. Thank you, Mr. Panda, Mrs. Ahir, and Mr. Orr for presenting these awards to our deserving recipients. Well, that brings us to the end of the awards portion of our program. The individuals we have honored today were proudly recognized for their outstanding academic contributions as well as their community work. Let's give them one last round of applause.
And I'd like to add that India Day 2016 would not have been possible without the dedicated efforts of our performers and our volunteers. Their many late nights, extra time on weekends, and every spare moment of their time was utilized in preparing for today's celebration. Also, I'd like to just personally thank, along with Shauna, Mrs. Kanak Chamarthi for her dedication and late nights working with us, helping to prepare for today. Let's give everyone one quick round of applause. And finally, to give one final note of thanks to our guests, our sponsors, our performers, and our volunteers, I would like to invite to the stage Dr. Mrinal Mandal, General Secretary of the Council of India Societies of Edmonton. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Mrinal Mandal.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I consider it a great honor for me to have the opportunity to stand here and offering a brief vote of thanks on this very important occasion of the celebration of India's 67th Republic Day. First, I would like to thank our dignitaries who are among us in spite of their busy schedule. Prominent of them are our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Amarjit Sohi, Minister of Infrastructure and Communities, Government of Canada. Mr. Rajiv Chander, Consulate General of India, Vancouver. Honorable Christina Gray, Minister of Labour, Alberta, and Minister responsible for Democratic Renewal in Alberta, and she is also MLA from Edmonton Maillots. Kelly McCauley, MP from Edmonton West, Mrs. Heather Swaite, MLA for Edmonton Manning, Ms. Demise Woolward, MLA for Edmonton Mill Creek, Mr. Prasad Pandya, MLA for Calgary Foothills, Mr. Ron Orr, MLA for Lacombe Panuka, Ms. Leela Ahir, MLA for Chester Mayor Lockheed, our other distinguished guests, members of the Executive Committee of the Council of India Societies, and also the affiliated associations, presidents, and delegates. We thank you for not only honoring our invitation, but also for the support and friendship that you continue to give us. Next, we thank all the sponsors of today's event, Ms. Siris Chatolia from Pandit and Chatolia, Mr. Atul Omkar from Reynolds, Marth, Richards and Farmer LLP, Mr. Kopil Sharma from KP Accounting, Ms. Rima Kaushik and David Holger from CIBC, Sushant Khurana from Bhatia Khurana LLP, Mrs. Sonia Devangori from New Mason Village, Mr. Tariq Chaudhary from Maharaja Banquet Hall. Thank you all for your generous support, and there are other sponsors and we thank them for the advertisements and advertisements in a souvenir. Republic Day celebration displays and exhibits India's rich and cultural diversity, and it also brings the entire nation together. And that was done here today by the display of diverse programs. So I'd like to thank all the participants and choreographers of today's cultural programs for such a wonderful and beautiful dances and songs. Congratulations to all the recipients of academic awards and special awards during this ceremony. A part of the congratulations goes to the parents as well for their support and encouragement to their children to achieve academic excellence. Many thanks to CISC for organizing the events with the support of all the volunteers who made this event such successful. So thanks to all those volunteers for their dedicated work and making this event smooth and successful. We thank various committees of India Day event, especially the award program committee, program committee, stage committee, reception committee, and souvenir committee. Special thanks to the MCs, Dr. Shoana Pandya and Mr. Mohit Kumar for nicely conducting the program. We thank the media, Ranjit Khera, Harmony TV, Randy from Image India, Global TV, CTV, City TV, and CBC, and photographers Kamal Lal and Mr. Sam Ghosh. We thank the Jubilee team, Cherry Wells and her associates for their fantastic job with managing everything, auditorium, sound, everything. So finally, thank you all for coming together for the celebration of India's Republic Day. If I missed anyone, because it's such a huge program, so many people are involved, and it's easy to miss someone, It's not that difficult to do that. So if I have missed anybody, my sincere apologies. It is definitely not intentional. And so then we are coming to the end of my vote of thanks. So we have probably one more program, but whatever your plans for this evening, I wish you all success, joy and happiness. Thank you.